So that's a single-legged squat. So what that looks like is you're gonna come down. You can grab your other toe if possible. Come down to the bottom of the squat, and then stand straight up. One of the things you could do is if you have your lifters, you could also put these on as a little bit of weight. Or if you have something small, you could put it under your heel to kind of give you more support to go into your squat and then stand back up. What you really want to think about is bringing your chest forward on this movement and keeping everything really condensed. Also, another way we can scale this is if you have something smaller on the ground, or if you do have a wall ball, you can have a butt target. If you want to tap your butt down and then stand up tall at the top too, and then you can kind of decrease your range or decrease the height of the object as well if you want to challenge yourself. Or kind of be smart about this. If you have a chair or something else, find something pretty stable, is that you could step one foot onto it and then do our scale like we would on our box, coming down, tapping the floor, and then driving